Okay, welcome back. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create your 3D mockup using the PNG file that you downloaded. So let's go to your Chrome browser or use any browser of your choice. I prefer to use Chrome browser because it's quite accessible to me. Then you go to your search bar and type DIYbookcovers.com. DIYbookcovers.com. You can see it already coming up on my because I've used it before. Then you go to /3D mockups. You can also see that because I use this often. DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockup because it's 3D I want to use. So please note that DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockup. Then you click on it. Yes, then you see step 1. So here you can see single. So you can either do your mockup as a single mockup or as a composite mockup. So I'm going to be teaching you the both of them. Let's start from the single. Let's start from single. So single, you go to next. Okay, first of all, you choose a template. So you look for the one you like. So let me see the one I think I like. So I think I like this. So I've chosen a template. The next thing you do, you go to next. You go to browse. Go to browse. You select an image. We have a PNG file here. Click on it. You upload. Once you upload, it's going to show up here. You can see it. It has uploaded. Then you go to next. So you can either download as a PNG or a JPG. I don't think I have any preference, but you can just try any of them. So let's try JPG. Let's try JPG. So you can see it has downloaded. Let's open our 3D mockup. You can see our 3D mockup here. Beautiful. So you can, let's go back and do the composite. So let's go to composite. So let's choose any template here. Let me choose this template. I don't know why, but let me just choose it. So I've chosen that template. You click on next. You click on browse. Click on upload. Of course, upload. It's just one we need. Still uploading. Alright, click on next. Okay, so you have to upload spine. And we don't have spine, but okay, I don't have any spine. Spine means that what you wrote at the edge of the book. So I don't have any of them, but let's click on this. I hope this works. I don't have spine. So upload. Click on it. Click on JPG. Of course, I say I don't know why I choose JPG, but it's what I always use. Okay, so it's coming up. So you can also click on your downloads to see if it has downloaded. Okay, still downloading. Still downloading. But that's just basically it. If that's not working, you can choose PNG too. So let me try PNG. If JPG is not working, you can also try PNG. Alright. Just see it. Oh, this is so beautiful. So this is basically it for 3D mockup, and you can use this to market your book on Stella. So the next video I'll be showing you how you can upload this book on Stella and how to market using Stella. Hi, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. You can click on the links in my description for other videos that you could watch that are valuable. You can drop a comment on the comment section about any other video you want me to create. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video. You really encourage me. Bye.